guys, so today we're going to be making some healthy birthday cake balls because guess whose birthday is coming up?
Mine.
Today what we're going to do is we're going to make a healthier version so Brexton can snack on these more often, right? So the base of this is with our Ancient Nutrition Collagen Powder. It is in vanilla flavor. Then we have almond flour, applesauce, coconut oil, egg, syrup, vanilla extract, and Brexton's favorite, what's that?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're essentially making like cake pops, so we're going to have to bake this first for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to mash it up with coconut oil, and then roll them in sprinkles. So, first up, 1 cup almond flour. Ready? You can just dump it. There you go. Now 1/2 cup of applesauce. You're going to hold or spoon? Don't. Ooh, watch your thumbs. Good job.
Back in me?
Yes, you can crack the egg. Yes, sir. Ooh, you need my help. Ready?
I can do it.
Let me. Ready? Okay.
Stir in.
You can stir that in, and I'm going to do 1/4 cup of the Multi Collagen. I like this one from Ancient Nutrition. It has 5 types of collagen in it, so I really like this one to bake with. And then in the morning, I use the unflavored one in my coffee. Here, can I get it out for you, and then you can pour it? Because we got to fill that whole thing. Ready? They also have it in chocolate flavor. And then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The recipe that I found actually calls for 1/4 cup of sugar substitute and maple syrup. I'm just going to do maple syrup because I think once we have the applesauce and maple syrup, and then I know Brexton's going to cover it in sprinkles, it will be plenty of sugar. What kind of birthday cake are you asking for?
Between 11. 2 fish.
How old are you going to be?
5.
Stir it all in. Then we're going to just throw it in the pan, and we're going to just let it bake for 20 or so minutes. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't matter what size pan, because we're going to mash it all up anyways. Like this. Now that the cake has cooked, essentially, we just pull it out, and it doesn't matter because you're going to make it into balls anyways, and just throw it in a bowl, and then we're going to add the coconut oil. So a lot of recipes call for like 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. I did 1.5 tablespoons. I'm, eating a lot of quarantine snacks over here and not trying to get extra coconut oil in. You can make these a lot sweeter. I did 1.5 tablespoons of the syrup, but you can also add in sugar or sugar substitute, whatever you want. So I'm trying to make these a little less sweet because I think the sprinkles will do the job. Okay, so once you have it all in the bowl, you're just gonna put in the coconut oil, and then literally you are going to just mash it all up. So you take your rings off. It's not like anybody has nice nails these days because of quarantine. So you're just gonna fold it all in together. So once you've folded all the coconut oil in, you're just gonna grab it and you're gonna press it together to make a little ball. If you're wondering where my helper went, he is already bored, so he'll see him at the end. And then you just throw it into a ball of sprinkles, the best part. And I really like that with the vanilla collagen powder. These are protein packed also. And I think they're really cute, and I know that when Brexton actually comes back from playing, and he'll be excited to eat them. So this is a nice little alternative. It still tastes really good. Again, you're getting your collagen protein in there, and we don't have a lot of sugar, so I feel good about these. So head to the blog to download the full recipe.